So hi everyone, we can see on the current chart that we are having a clear uptrend right here. Okay, we have a series of higher high, a high, and then higher low pattern. But again, on top of that, after forming this candle right here, this small red candle, and that is what we call the shooting star candlestick pattern, we see that we got a very big trending change. Okay, so every time we form a shooting star on a clear uptrend, it simplifies that there is a change in trend which is going to occur into either a bearish trend or a big retracement within that uptrend. So let us study more about these shooting stars. So we are going to be looking at everything you need to know about the shooting star in this video. So it's shooting star. It occurs in an uptrend and it happens to be the opposite of the inverted hammer. And still, to me, I do not differentiate them as that much. I just see them as either way, um, as an inverted hammer sometimes or a shooting star, but they look equally the same. So in the only basic difference between a shooting star and an inverted hammer is that a shooting star is in an uptrend while inverted hammer occurs in a downtrend. Okay. So when a shooting star appears at the top of an uptrend, its long wick implies unsuccessful effort by bulls to push the price further up after their corresponding effort to push the price up quickly. So what we are saying is that in case of an uptrend, okay, we shall find that at that uptrend, we are going to form this big bullish candle. But after forming that bullish candle, before it closes, the bears come in to push its price down, and then they form a candle which is like this. And then this candle can have a lower wick, which is short, or it could have no lower wick at all. So this is what we call the shooting star, and it signifies that the uptrend has exhausted and we expect a big retracement or sometimes even an entire change in trend. So a shooting star candlestick in an uptrend suggests potential exertion of the uptrend and an onset of a bearish reversal. Shooting stars are furthermore characterized by a gap between the previous spark close and a relatively higher open of the shooting star. So what we are saying in this case is that sometimes you can find that you have this shooting star, and then after forming the shooting star, you get a gap, okay? And then after getting that gap, you get a big bearish candle, which confirms the entry, and then you can move to catch the wave down. So when you look at the chart right here on your screen, we are going to be looking at the shooting stars to spot them. Number one, we have to look for a clear uptrend. For example, right here, we can see that we are looking for a shooting star, and then we have successfully one here. And we can see that when we form this shooting star, it was followed up by a clear move down, which is a change in trend. So is this small candle right here an entry candle? In my case, I wouldn't agree to it right here because the price is not it is showing a very small price movement in the direction of trend change. But we are waiting for always a big bearish candle like this one so that we can be able to enter a trade. So for example, in this moment, this would be the entry point and then a stop loss. And then we are targeting this level one as take profit one. And then we are targeting either this level here or here as take profit two. And then there is also this one as take profit three. Okay. So we can also see that right here we have an uptrend, though it was so much of parabolic, and it was followed by this candlestick here, which is also a shooting star. The color doesn't matter as long as the upper wick is long, followed by a body, and then maybe a small wick that becomes a shooting star, and then we got this wave down. So we are waiting for a big bearish candle. For example, this one, it shows big bearish movement, this red candle after this shooting star, and then we would have gotten our entry point right there. Right here, you put your sell stop order followed by a stop loss, and then you could catch the take profit one at this level or this level right there, or sometimes at this clear resistance you're seeing here. Okay, so this was the take profit one. Okay, so that is a shooting stars. In case we could spot any, I don't see any. So clearly this is also a shooting star right here, but it is not preceded by a clear uptrend. Okay, so this one is a shooting star, but in this case this is a shooting star which is relevant to a trader. But right here, this is a shooting star which is relevant because it preceded a break from this consolidation right here. So after the consolidation, big price movement, shooting star, so we expect a new change in trend. So we expected a retracement to this level before we could get a new sometimes traders call this one a retest to the consolidation resistance to form a support, and it happened, so it tried to protrude. Okay, so once again, a shooting star is a candle which has a higher long wick, and it happens in an uptrend, and then it is preceded by a big bearish candle as an entry candle. Okay, so right here, do we have any shooting stars? These ones are not shooting stars because they have long lower wicks, and these ones are considered as dojis. Okay, so that is all about shooting stars in this video, and we shall be looking at more candlestick patterns in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. This is Wisdom Jordan. Bye bye.